Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ShrinLuck 2.5K Dashcam front and rear, 64 GB SD card, 1600p plus 1080p, FHD dual dash camera for cars, 3.2-inch IPS screen. 176 degrees plus 160 degrees wide-angle dashcam, G-sensor, night vision, WDR, parking monitor, loop recording. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2.5K plus 1080p FHD and 336 degrees wide-angle dual recording. ShrinLuck brings you the S7 Dashcam front and rear, which can record Ultra HD 2.5K, 2560x1600p, front video plus FHD 1080p rear video. It can help you read key details such as road signs and vehicle license plates more clearly, bringing you better driving pleasure and better security. This car camera is equipped with a 176 degrees wide-angle front camera and a 160 degrees wide-angle waterproof rear camera, recording everything without dead angle. The large 3.2-inch Full HD screen provides you with the clearest experience. The user interface on the large screen is very clear and it is very easy to operate and navigate the menus. At the same time, this dashcam is made of professional aviation aluminum alloy material. Compared with the plastic material of most sellers, our product not only has excellent texture, but also has a very good heat dissipation effect. Even if the micro SD card is full, the dashcam will continue to record, automatically overwrite the oldest video with the latest video, and ensure that the locked video is not overwritten. Moreover, we have solved the problem that most of the dashcams of the sellers have time intervals and key missing frames in the recorded video. By slicing the video, we can realize the seamless connection between the looped video and better preserve the video evidence. Our car camera has a high-performance G-sensor, and the sensitivity is further optimized, which can automatically record emergency situations and save the video. When the vehicle collides, the driving recorder will automatically save and lock the current video as evidence. Besides that, press the lock button to manually lock the current video, especially if you see something interesting/important on the road, can also lock the footage. Our car camera features a f1.5 aperture, the industry's largest 1/2.7-inch CMOS image sensor, and WDR technology for better color accuracy and clarity. Whether it is day or night, it can clearly capture small details such as night driving and license plates. If your vehicle crashes while parked, or someone tries to steal your car, the car camera will automatically turn on and start recording when it detects the vibration, providing 24-hour protection for your car. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.